Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackables Expand or Show More block in WordPress. This is a mini-series taking a look at Stackables blocks one by one. To get started, let's open a brand new blank page to take a look at this block in depth. If you're on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in from the backend, that is with your username and password, we'll be in our dashboard. Simply hover over onto your left-hand sidebar, hover onto Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create a blank slate for us. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't open, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. And this is where we will have our parameters to configure and toggle for our block. Next, let's go ahead and give our page a title to keep things organized. Okay, and finally, let's add the block itself. There's this blue button over here with a plus icon. Click on that. It's called a block inserter. If the icon doesn't appear, if the blocks icon doesn't appear here, you can either scroll down or search for it. But since we have Stackable up on here, just scroll down and you'll see Expand/Show More. Drag and drop that into the workspace and we can work with it. Let's close our block inserter just to give ourselves some room to work with. And this is our Expand/Show More block. Now, let's go ahead and customize. Well, let's input some of our details here first before we continue. So it's divided into 4 parts, I should say. And we have this one that says the less text and the more text. So this is how it looks like when the information is hidden. Okay, and then this one we can put our long text. Alternatively, we can also change what the text is. Let's say show me show less. Let's just keep it stock like that. And now let's actually configure the whole block itself. So our parent block here is, if you click here and you click over here and you click here, this gives us you can see it's highlighted in blue here, this big blue box. We can change all of the alignment. Let's keep it on the middle, and we can also change our paddings and margins. For background, for style, we have background here. We can put a gradient, a single background, or an image or a video. Let's keep it simple. Maybe this is okay. And borders and shadows, we can put a border on this, some shadows if we wanted to, and some outlines. And then our advanced settings, such as our general HTML tag, overflow, clear, hard position settings, custom attributes in HTML, responsive settings if we want to hide this on desktop, tablet, or mobile, and HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now, to actually customize how these things look like inside, we'll have to click on these one by one. So this is our text. We have our layout. Again, we can justify it whichever way we want. We can have multiple settings. We can have column gaps. But the important thing here is our typography. And if you wanted, you can go ahead and change your font. We can change the font size. We can change the text color. We can put a shadow outline on that. We can put a background on this if we wanted to, but I won't for this video. And we have our other settings here, right? And these are the custom attributes that make this work. Next, if we go over here, it's hidden, but let's go ahead and click on our typography and change the size to make it bigger. Okay, and we can change our fonts here as well. But let's go all the way down, since this one's also hidden. You can see we can change our button style. Right? And we have a hover effect, right? And it disappears. Okay, I think that's fine. And next we have our button colors. The button color can be black, I guess. The text color can be red. We have our button spacing. If we wanted to make it full space, change the height and the size, add padding on it. We can add a border to this if we wanted to, add an icon. Why is poop there? But okay. And you can change the icon. These are just ordinary button spacings. You can also add a background to this if we wanted to, and so on and so forth. So let's mess with this one as well. Let's make this a bit bigger. All right. Let's change up the style to be this one, and then the button colors. Let's make it oops. Is that right? There we go. And the text color can be black. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Let's go ahead and save our work and see how this actually works. Let's click on Publish and wait for it to save. All right, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page and take a look at our Expand and Show More block. So here is our page. This is how it looks like when the information is hidden. We have our button over here. If we click on that, it shows us more. So I've just made the buttons bigger just to make it easier for you to see where I'm clicking. But it doesn't actually have to be the same text. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.